to my channel. So today I thought I would jump on here and just film a little haul video for you guys. I've done a lot of makeup shopping recently, especially because it is coming into formal time. So I'm hoping to do a few clients here and there. So I thought I would grab some things that would obviously build my kit up, and I thought I would share that stuff with you as well. So I hope you do like it. It's been a while since I've uploaded, but hopefully I can get back into the swing of things soon. And let's just get into the video. So I'll start off with all the makeup stuff that I purchased. So I went to Mecca and also Sephora. So I'll start off with the stuff that I got from Sephora. So firstly, I decided to pick up a few face masks. So these are just the lychee face masks. I just picked two up. They were like $3 each, so they were cool. And then the main reason I went in to Sephora was to find a new foundation, just because I did have the Tarte foundation, but it is running low, and I wanted to try the Fenty foundation, so I ended up buying the hydrating one, and it just looks like that. So I do have it on my face right now. It's quite a light coverage, but you can definitely build it up, and I just like that it's got like a little pump bottle as well. So I'm not too sure on price, but I think it was like $50 something from memory. And I also got the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I also have that on my eyes at the moment, and I'm pretty impressed with it, so that's cool. But I just got the mini version to try it out, but I'm definitely going to pick up the bigger version of that one as well. Cool, so that's all I got from Sephora. Bear in mind as well, I did get these in sort of different purchases, not all at the one time. It's a lot of money otherwise. So next I'll show you what I got from Mecca. So the main reason I went back to a makeup place was to get foundation for my clients. So I went in there and I basically just asked them, I was like, look, I just need some foundation that have multiple tones, because obviously every client's different. So I picked up the MAC, sorry, let me show you properly, 3 of the MAC foundations. So I got number 10, 25 and 45, because I know being summer and obviously formal as well, people do like to fake tan. So I just got a light shade, like a neutral sort of olivey undertone, and then a darker shade. That's what it looks like. And then I also got the Fix It MAC Plus Prep and Prime spray as well. I do have a setting spray, but I know this is a very good one, so I decided to pick this one up. That's just what it looks like. Cool, so that was everything from Mecca, and then I did place an order online as well for Morphe. I love that place, and they've always got sales, cheap as well. So firstly I picked up this palette. It's just a 35 color everyday chic palette. I'll open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So if I can open it. So those are the colors. That's what it looks like. It's so beautiful. I love that sort of gold shimmery color. So yeah, I thought because I've got one already, I got like a sort of a neutral tone palette, so I decided to pick up one with sort of a bit of every color, if that makes sense. I also picked up a highlighter. That's what the color is. It's the, I'm not sure what color it is, but this is what it looks like. Just You can see it's just like a sort of a very pinky, you can't really see that, but there it is. Pinky glow. So I need a new highlighter, so I decided why not. And it was like, I'm pretty sure it was only like $10 as well. Bargain. And then I did get some brushes because I have way too many brushes and you can never have enough as well. So I got the Morphe M404. So it's just like a small duo foundation brush. And then I also got the M135, just like a little flat angled brush. And then a Morphe E63, which is just your big foundation buffer brush. I have used these today, so that's why they're. And then I got the M707 3/4, which is just another foundation brushes. So I do go through a lot of foundation brushes. So I decided to pick up a few more, just because the other ones I have were quite old. So yeah, that was everything from Morphe online as well. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with all the purchases that I do have. Next, I'll show you the skincare that I got as well, just because I was out of a few things, and again with my clients and everything, it's good to just to have a variety of cleaning products, moisturizers, toners, all of that. So I'll show you what I got from Priceline. Perfect. So I'll start off with what I use on my face. So I've got the simple face makeup remover wipes. I swear by these. I use them every day, obviously when I'm wearing makeup. They were on sale for like $5 for the twin pack as well, so I definitely recommend going and pick those up. Then I did pick up micellar water. I did have the small version of this and I ran out ages ago, but never got another version. Actually, here it is here. I've got like the tiniest little bit, so I decided just to pick up the bigger one, and then at least it'll last as well. And then I also got some mascara ones because I know I'll need those, and I couldn't remember if I had any, so I just decided to pick those up just to make sure. And then I also got 2 moisturizers as well. The reason I picked these up was because obviously it's nice to put a moisturizer down before applying any makeup. I got 2 because one's a combination oily skin, so that's obviously your green one, and then I got one for dry and sensitive skin as well, just because everyone has obviously different skin types. So I'm pretty excited to try those out. And that's just by the brand Nivea as well. I swear by them. I always get my skincare from them, so yeah. But yeah, that's literally everything that I got. I thought I would show you guys just because it was quite a lot of stuff. But I'm pretty happy because I haven't bought any makeup in a very long time. So perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did watch till the end. I do appreciate it. That was everything, obviously, for what I've got. Like I mentioned, I haven't done makeup shopping in a very long time, so it was pretty cool to be able to go and just get a few things. But I'm sure, you know, I'll be purchasing things here and there, so I'll make sure to show you guys as I go. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed, and let me know down below what you want to see from me in the future. And yeah, have a good day. Bye.